See me see finish my country people. How una rain now? Omo, you don't share again. Oh. Now one small boy wey just travel go Malaysia yesterday. This boy never even reach 6 months for Malaysia. When I see the kind cyber truck where this boy carry come this village, this one is shock me. I say, so now some money there for America, eh? Now some money there for outside country. Now me array just they work, they eat from fire to fry pan to fire. Imagine this kind small boy, he just break record for this village. Eh? I wish I go even see it, but my tell and say me carry this kind fine motor, me carry and go city. Make our village road no come spoil motor. When I see the kind cyber truck where this boy carry come this village, this one he shock me. This one shock me. Eh? If you be person where be say he there for city, he dey plan to come this village, no come village for this period. Oh. Because if you come this village, the kind pressure wey dey for people body this time around, everybody dey plan to go do broad money as they see this small boy carry this cyber truck come village. Everybody head dey choke, the eye now dey choke. No come village, make you no come go do broad money. Oh, make you no go use your papa, your mama do broad money. Oh, hey, now the message now say make I carry come tell una be that. As I just dey see the motor just dey pass, the motor just dey see as the motor dey go. Hi, it just dey go small. Now I run come out for my papa bush, say make I come yes so now. Now the yes be that. Hey, you don't say me, I don't feel see better thing, I don't feel see anything. Make I don't come yes so now. Say make una see wetin dey happened for this village. You know, say me, I dey go round the village. I dey check everything, anything where I see, I dey carry, come dey tell una. Hey, this small boy shock me. Oh, this small boy, that time where I dey for SS3. This small boy was still in primary 6. Imagine this small boy. This small boy, we see, he never reached 18 years. So, this boy never even reached 18 years. This boy has break a record. If our village, Akwa Ibom State, one village where they for under Akwa Ibom State, under Onaruku government area, this boy has break a record for coming back to this village with this cyber truck. Malaysia. I must travel out of this country, whether the revenue like it or not. Make I go back to my papa bush. I do farm work for my papa bush. Now I say make I come show. Now I say because this cyber truck now for television now I see cyber truck. Sometimes I see them for online for social media and now I see cyber truck. As I go see this one just they come through. Now I say make I come outside the road. Make I come look and where cyber truck. For this life, wonder shall never end.
Shit, oh shit!